His amazing flair to make women more beautiful than they actually are. So his style is so exquisite and unique to Tony Ward.
I like the fact that he accentuated a woman's body, and the dresses always look very contemporary, but at the same time very elegant and sexy. I'm wearing a Tony Ward dress today from the previous collection, and I'm definitely in love with this dress, so I'm very, very excited.
I think that all of the collection is in the good balance, and there is this dimension of a new romanticism with the minerality and moreover a new interpretation of nature. It's extremely couture, and moreover it's very modern with the little twist to make the difference. I think that Tony Ward knows what are going to change in women sensibility and women mood. So it's couture, but it's really modern.
It's very poetic. There are you feel the minerals, the stones in different ways. If it's a 3D or if it's just painting, so it's both. And what I liked is every single dress is unique in the cut and everything, but the whole. You feel that it's one collection. That it talks about you know, the stones.
This collection is around the mineral stone. It started from the idea of a museum where there's the third biggest collection in the world in Beirut. And when I saw this collection, I got inspired for a lot of things to do in my upcoming couture. We took stones, we broke these stones, we put them in a different way, we put them on lace, on a 3D effect. We created effects of origami that gives these stones look.